Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Facebook Insights for social media analysis, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Facebook page. Locate the Insights tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Insights tab to access your analytics. Familiarize yourself with the Overview dashboard. Review the key metrics such as page views, post reach, and engagement rates. Analyze the audience demographics under the People section. Check the location, age, and gender of your audience. Explore the Posts section to see when your audience is most active. Identify which posts are performing best based on engagement. Dive into the Videos section if you share video content. Examine metrics like views, average watch time, and viewer retention. Visit the Page section for an overview of your page actions. Monitor the number of likes, comments, and shares over time. Use the Actions on Page metric to see how users interact with your page. Take note of trends over different time frames. Look at the Events section if you're hosting events. Check registrations and engagement related to your events. Utilize the Competitors section, if available, to compare metrics. Identify areas where you can outperform your competitors. Download specific reports using the Export feature for detailed analysis. Set benchmarks based on your findings for future posts. Create a strategy to improve low-performing content. Schedule regular check-ins to track progress over time. Adjust your content strategy based on the insights gathered. Engage with your audience based on their preferences. Make use of Facebook's recommendations for improving performance. Regularly update your knowledge by revisiting Facebook Insights. Celebrate your successes as you see improvements in your metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.